NUP Party President Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu was among the many candidates nominated today to contest for presidency in the upcoming 2026 general elections.
I, Justice Kyagulanyi Simon, being the returning officer for the nomination of presidential candidates, declare Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert a duly nominated candidate in respect of the presidential elections 2026. He having fulfilled the nomination requirements under the Presidential Elections Act, Chapter 179, Laws of Uganda.
Kyagulanyi was accompanied by his wife Itungo Babi Kyagulanyi, Joel Senyonyi, Secretary General Lewis Lubongoya, and other party members. However, prior to his nomination, a commotion broke out between his supporters and security personnel, resulting in the arrest of several individuals.
Kulemesa abantu baffe okwetaaya so bo mwabalabye jjo bibabadde bakola olunaku lwonna bamaze nga bakola processions bakola ki naye mulaba embeera gye batutaddeko ffe tubivumirira naye kyonna kye kiri tugenda kunominatinga president waffe.
Addressing the media, Kyagulanyi stated that Uganda's challenge is not poverty, but poor leadership, and therefore presented himself as the best candidate for presidency.
Our country is fertile. Our people are hardworking and enterprising. We are rich in creativity. We are resourceful. We are energetic. We are young, and we are promising. Our country is one of the richest countries on the planet in terms of natural resources. So, my brothers and sisters, our problem is not lack of wealth. Our problem is lack of leadership. Leadership that serves the people instead of terrorizing them and exploiting them.
He further elaborated on the narrative of the protest vote, stating that this year's election centers on addressing the injustices inflicted upon the country.
We have voted before. We have won elections before. And we have been rigged before. But the election this time is no usual election, brothers and sisters. We are going into this election as a way of protesting against the injustice that has been occasioned to us for the last 40 years. We are protesting, and the protest begins now.
Kyagulanyi urged the party members to mobilize Ugandans to participate in the upcoming elections.
We must mobilize the people of Uganda to come out and vote in very, very large numbers. Numbers too big to rig. We must lay different strategies and make different plans to ensure that we, the people of Uganda, get our freedom in this season.
He urged President Museveni to heed the advice of his longtime friend, General Kahindo Tafire, who is calling for a peaceful transition of power.
I know you don't like listening to young people or even listening to anybody at all, but at least listen to your friend and Bushwa comrade, General Kahindo Tafire. I want you to remember that Uganda was here before you, and Uganda will be here long after you are gone.
Kyagulanyi called upon the Electoral Commission to ensure a peaceful, free and fair election.
All we want is a free and fair election. No military violence, no police brutality. That is not too much to ask for. Let this election not be a military operation. Let this be a democratic election. That should not be too much to ask for.
John Baptista Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.